Hey, Zach here with Techno CNC, back with another tutorial video. Today we're going to be covering the basics of jogging, changing speeds, stepping the machine, and changing your step sizes. In order for you to jog your machine, you're going to be using the yellow buttons here. You can see you have your Y plus, Y minus, X minus, X plus, Z plus, and Z minus. You can also change the jog speed from high to slow. You can do that with this sine wave button here, the number 5 button. And when you press that, you'll see on your display screen that we are in our slow jog. We can also switch to stepping mode. That'll allow us to move in very specific increments, typically a few thousandths of an inch to get precise locations. That'll help us better to set our X, Y, 0 positions, our Z, 0 positions later on. We can change into our stepping function by pressing the shift button one time, and it'll move just one increment set in a separate menu, which I'll show you. We can access our step size by just pressing the OK button from the main display screen. That'll open up a new menu here. This menu will allow you to change your high speed, your slow speed for jogging, and then we have our step XY and our step Z. These values here for the step are in inches, and our jog speeds are in inches per minute. So we can change these values. We can set specific step increments that suit our needs. All right, now that we've established our jogging, stepping functions, the basics of moving our machine around manually, we're going to move on to loading and setting up our tooling. We'll see you in the next video.